Hi, we started learning about Google Sheets the other day, and one of the things that I showed you how to do was how to insert a function. So I'm going to go over that briefly here again. So right here, I want to have the total number um, of items that were voted on. So I want to basically add the numbers 4, 2, 8, and 2. But I don't want to have to do that myself. So I'm going to do something called inserting a function. So it always starts with an equal sign. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an equal sign. And then I'm going to type the word sum. Um, put a parentheses, and I'm going to put the first cell that I want to total, which happens to be B3, then a colon, and then put the last cell that I want to total, which is B6. Okay, and then close it with a parentheses. Now, if you notice, it is automatically showing me the area that's going to be totaled, which is correct. I hit enter, and it tells me the number 16. All right, now for me to check to make sure this is right, let's say I change the number 2 here to 4, so that would mean that the number would go from 16 to 18, and sure enough, it's correct. So again, adding a function is not hard. You just pick the cell where you want it to go. And in this case, I chose cell B8, and I put in the function to sum the total from the cells B3 to B6. Hopefully that helped.